How to restore missing clock on Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how we can restore the missing clock on Android phone. So if you're looking on how we can do that, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just get started. So first thing first, open up your mobile device. And right now you can see I have a clock in my screen. But if you have accidentally removed it, for example, if you don't have a clock on your home screen and you want to restore the missing clock on Android phone. So for that, you just need to long press on your home screen and you will be finding this interface on your screen. So look out for the option called Widgets on your home screen. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you're here, look for the option called Clock and drop it down. And you will be finding different options of clock here. So look for the clock that is suitable for you. For example, I want to add this one right here. So long press on that clock and just place it wherever you want on your home screen. After that is done, you can edit it out and resize it if you want. And that is it. That is how you restore the missing clock on your Android phone, following up this method, which is super simple and easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you on next one.